go. 5.3. That's the best of the day. This car was built in 1989. The reason why we use these is because if you put the right diff, and I'm not talking about a diff out of some other crap car that's already worn out, proper quaif. So that's the quaif unit. Then with when I supply a diff kit, you get the new bearings to go on. You use your original ring gear. If you put the right diff in there, that thing will hook up time and time again, and the launch is just ridiculous. Sideways everywhere. Mercedes, when they built these, they were like, in the Mercedes factory, they were like, make the car very fun to drive, but don't make the looks exciting. Make it look really understated. That Germans don't sound like, that's more Polish. But anyway, so what they did is they gave it loads of steering locks so you can go sideways for days. For a standard car, that is, anyway. Nothing to do with turning circle, anything like that. Second point, good gearbox and clutch, because you're going to want to light the tyres up, really rip that clutch and the tyres, break your drive shaft if you can. That's what it's all about. Oh, that sounded bad. That definitely broke a drive shaft.
Yes.
Oh, this is what that loud bang was. The drive shaft exploded. This is my car, so I'm going to absolutely torch it. 400 horsepower, that's important also. This is an experimental manifold that we've built, and it has a very interesting pulse system. It's not quite your usual twin scroll, and you can hear that when you hear this screamer open. You can hear that offbeat sound, which I'll show you in a minute. Anyway, I'm going to get in it and I'm going to launch it, and you're going to see how important it is to have a limited slip diff. And do not one wheel wonder. I'll put a little clip of a one wheel wonder type person in it. Probably another classic Mercedes owner doing a one wheel wonder. And you'll see how cool I am compared to it. Right, let's do this. If you like the look of this car and you like the performance it gives and you're thinking, I want that turbo kit, well, that is our quick spool race kit. You'll find it online. That's on our web store, and they do two versions. They do a quick spool street and a quick spool race. The quick spool race comes with a complete 6-branch manifold. The quick spool street is on an adapter, and they're both billet Borg Warner turbos. They are absolutely amazing. They are like 420 horsepower rated turbos, and the spool up's really good. And like I said, this one gave 0 to 60 in 5.3 seconds with some wheel spin on them all-terrain tyres, so you can see it's not your usual whole set lag monster. They are a really sophisticated setup. Buy one. And if you're thinking, what pump do I need to go with it? That's really simple. Just our 400 horse. If you go on the web shop, you'll see 400 horsepower mechanical injector pump is all you need. It's perfect. If you've got a manual transmission car, go for the anti-jerk kit. It's really good. If you've already got one of those pumps, you know, by another builder, and it's in a manual car like this, because that's what the anti-jerk's for, then you're probably experiencing some jerking. We sell the kit separately, so you can bolt that kit onto anyone else's pump, and I can guarantee if you've got a 124 and it's manual, you'll know what I'm talking about. So yeah, quick spool race kit, and it gives you some serious performance and speed on a car that's diesel doing 40 miles per gallon. It can go sideways for days. It's got loads of lock, and you know, if it gets a bit dented up in a car park, it doesn't really matter. If you want to stick 7 people in it, you can. And that's what this is all about. It's about having fun with these older cars and turning them into something that you can really use. So yeah, really pleased with the result. Like I say, I did a G-Wagon once that had less horsepower than this, that did just a touch over 5 seconds, like 5 or 5.1. So these engines really are good at getting that 0 to 60. But yeah, 5.3 for that on the 3rd attempt with those tyres, I'm really impressed with. I think I could have probably kept trying or on a prep track get it right into the 4s, but you know, that's a realistic attempt at what you're going to be doing if you owned one of these on the road and you traffic light racing, you know. So it's pretty good. It's very good, in fact. So hope you've enjoyed it. I've had fun. Catch you next time. More updates to come. Bye for now.